Today is 11 April 2024 is community triage meeting. And let me share the screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go through the item one by one. First one. Update to yeah, I think this PR is straightforward. We just need to replace this PR and resolve the workflow failure. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything else we need to do. Wow. Yeah, this PR previously when the contributor bumped the RCD client SDK 3512, we run into the same issue. We run into the same issue, but when I believe it's caused by the dependency issue. Let me see. Oh, fix. Okay. Let me pin. Okay. Update. Remote flag. Oh, yes. Okay. Needs to. Wow, this description is too long. It's really too long. We don't want. I expect the description to be concise. Let me something like this. Precise. Right. Yeah, this is my recommendation.
You have enabled twice at the beginning.
Sorry, say that again.
You have enable.
Oh, yeah,
enables.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, thanks. Enable the rough revolt algorithm to prevent disruption.
I think you're also commenting on an outdated. So I think he has already updated the flag or the description.
Okay, do you mean this something like this?
It says so in it says outdated. So I think the contributor already pushed change.
Let me double check. Yeah, the latest description is also too wordy, too long.
Yeah, I think it's maybe it's fine if in there there's a like a short version and then in the help in the second one if it's a long description.
Yeah, anyway, let
Mhm.
me- let me- yeah, I think it's much better now. You know, my point is, you know, LCD is, I don't expect LCD to explain the config for the RAF. I think we should redirect user to the RAF repo or redirect user to the RAF paper to analyze to understand the config. Yeah, I think this is much better now. Issue. Let's migrate should read work from last situation. Migrate. Great. Yeah, I believe my immediate following, yeah, is nice to have feature. You know, when the user migrate the data, they just the data have two type of data. The first is the bbout data, and the WAR file. WAR file is a patch on top of the bbout database. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Yeah, but I think we should let the user to choose whether or not to apply the WAR record.
I think also the issue here is that it was assigned on January 31st.
Yes. Yeah.
So maybe we should reassign this or ping.
Yeah, sure. Good idea. Yeah, I agree. Okay, 1 second. Let me read it again. Notice migrate. Yes. Which to the come to use the phone. Can to be used by Hmm. Oh. Instead of reading from the beginning, we should reading from the last snapshot. Okay. Without snapshots. Okay. Anyway, I will take a look offline to resolve. proposal bump directly with group with change log. Okay. Which last week. What's the latest version? Let me check. Yeah, 3530 is already released, but the changelog is out of date. It seems that changelog doesn't include that item. Which one?
I just actually I meant to do it last week. I'll do it today for sure. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Have you updated the changelog for the
No, I
3530?
haven't. Not yet. No, I haven't updated the change log yet.
Yeah, please release PR separately. Thank you.
Yes, I will do it. Sorry.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah. Should we update the changelog for the 3431?
I think the change was merged for 3.4 as well, if I remember correctly. So I'll create 2 separate PRs for it then in that case.
Yeah. Yeah, please top check. All right, thank you.
Will do.
Okay, next one. Close. Add matrix. I think this already be done. 3, 5. 3, 4. Change log. Okay. This is into C group. Issue. Website. X command. Oops. That's status. Oh yeah, it's a simple change. Let me approve right now. Just one comment for the document. You know, for the Marek and me, probably are busy with the issues. We don't have enough bandwidth to review the website's PR. So if anyone is interested, please try to review the website PR. We probably might to promote people to review or maintain for the website in the next step. Yeah, that's both. Yeah, already closed. Yeah, it is already closed. Closed. Yeah, still put. Yeah, I believe this is a nice to have. Let me pin. Yeah, the other PR I want to highlight is 1 second. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this issue, yeah, this is a real issue. You know, currently when the RCD members communicate with each other, when each RCD member receive a connection from the peer, it will verify the remote IP address, match the remote certificate. If it doesn't match, then the RCD member will reject the connection from the peer. Yeah, this is a real issue. Because by default, when a peer communicate with each other, it doesn't set the local address, which means the RCD will automatically use the Golang library to choose a local address. But the certificate, when we sign a certificate, we will use a specific IP address. If the IP address selected by the Golang library doesn't match the IP address in the certificate, then the peer will be rejected connection. This is a real issue. Yeah, the fix is pretty simple, but the problem is the E2E task is a little complicated. This is the PR. Yeah, this is the PR. Yeah, the fix is pretty simple. From the user perspective, we just add, 1 second. From user perspective, we just add a flag, set member local address. By default is false. So we need to make sure it's backward compatible. The user can set it to true. If they set it true, when the member communicate with other RCD members, it will use the IP address from the advertised URL from the first non-local lookback address. Yeah, please take a look at this PR if anyone is. Can anyone take a look at this PR, review this PR?
I can do it.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Does anyone have any questions or any topic?
So if there's nothing else, so there's the pull request, no, the issue in Bbolt. You know, the dramatic drop in the benchmark speed. I was testing the suggestions and nothing seems to be working to get it back to speed. It's an issues. It's the most recent one.
And this one?
In issues, go to
Oh.
issues.
Okay.
Then the dramatic drop in sequential read performance.
Oh yeah.
So I did the change that the reporter suggested, but it doesn't get back to the original
Yeah.
operations per second.
Yeah. There are, my understanding, there are two topics. The first topic is the benchmark results on the main branch doesn't match the benchmark on the release 1.3. I think the first issue is the problem is due to the benchmark itself. Just mentioned is the
So the thing is that I did exactly what
this
it
one.
did. I replaced the add completions to remove the atomic. I'm getting the same result.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah,
cool. Yeah.
and then I also so then there was a suggestion at the bottom, like moving it after the end of the, so instead of increasing like one by one, so I changed it to increase like all of the batch, but I'm seeing the same result. And I even tried with a defer to see if it worked, but I'm not getting back to the QPSs from before.
Do you mean remove this line and add this at the end of this for loop?
Yeah, so I think his suggestion is to move the results at complete ops to line, yeah, like 1499 or something, and then have it with num reads rather than just doing like an increment one by one. I tried that, and I even tried moving like a defer right after defining num reads. So the results are, so it shows the right numbers, but it's still slower. So yeah, I don't know if that's yeah, I don't know if that's the reason for the slowdown in the
I
the
believe,
benchmark.
I believe it's one of the reasons, but the problem is each solution has bad side, good side. The good side is you can improve the performance, but the bad side, you cannot see the intermediate result. For example, if the follow run a long time, if we want to check if we want to get the progress intermediate, there's no any intermediate reports, right? This is the problem. For example, let me show you. For example, when you test, you can see many intermediate results.
Yeah.
But if in that case, you don't have an intermediate result. You only have one final correct result. That's the problem.
Yeah, I agree. And the previous implementation, it wasn't showing any progress, so it was fast. And then with the progress, it seemed to suffer the slowdown. So I'm gonna comment on this with what I've been trying. I'm testing in so he's asking if he's using Mac, but I'm using an AMD 64, and I'm seeing the same results.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
great.
think
Anyway,
it's architecture.
yeah, great. Please add comments. Summarize what you find.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So we are done. Yeah. See you next Thursday. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, thank
Bye.
you.